In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make your audio go through your headset on the Xbox Series S. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, make sure that your headset is properly connected to your Xbox Series S, either through Bluetooth, wire, or any other means. After you ensure that it is properly connected, open up the settings on your console, select General, and first go to the volume and audio output setting. In there, you have to check to see if the party chat output is set to headset. Change it to headset only or headset and speakers if you would like to hear the audio on both. After you've set the party chat output, go into the speaker audio and choose if you want to turn the speaker audio off. If you wish to do so, just change the HDMI audio to off. Otherwise, select which option you want to use. Lastly, on the Headset Audio tab, set up your headset if you have features like DTS, Dolby Atmos, Windows Sonic, or just the usual stereo and compressed option to keep it as default. This should fix your issue, but if you are still having trouble with the audio not coming through your headset only, all you have to do is go to the additional options on the same volume and audio output tab and then tick the mute speaker audio when headset attached tab in order to not have any audio go through your speaker. I hope I was able to help you on how to make your audio go through headset on your Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.